Give me 1 second, y'all. We're finna get started. All right, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading live stream, man. Today is October 28th. Um, yeah, we finna get into these markets. We got about 3 minutes for the market open up. Uh, but y'all know what our game plan is. If you was in the live stream last night, we're just following the trend, man. We just gonna be following this uptrend. Of course, we do feel that it's a little bit overextended. Let me remove some of these drawings. We do feel that NQ is a little bit overextended and ES also. But hey, you got to follow the trend. We don't have no red candle yet for us to pull back, to start the pullback, indicating the pullback coming back. So as of right now, we got to still follow the uptrend. Okay. Also, if you was in the stream last night, I stated that, hey, we're going to start back trading on our higher time frame. I know I've been on a 1 minute lately. Been on a 1 minute lately, just catching smaller scalps and trades. We're going to start back trading on our higher time frame, just because I kind of wanted to let some of these trades play out. I don't really like um taking like 6, 7 trades a day. I don't know. It's a lot simpler by taking that 1 or 2 trades a day. So we're just gonna see how it go. If we gotta just scalp, because you a lot of times you gotta scalp when it is when we're sitting at the all time highs. But we are going to try to start back trading on our higher time frame. It just make it difficult when you're at all time highs because you don't know where that reversal is. Invisible fair value gaps. It's invisible resistance levels. It's invisible everything like key levels. So that's why you sometimes have to scalp on them 1 minute and 5 minute when you're sitting at them all time highs. So you gotta understand your market conditions. Sometimes you can't trade your 1 hour strategy or your 15 minute strategy. Um, sometimes you have to scalp just because of where you at. If you're in consolidation, you gotta scalp. If you at all time highs, more times than not, you're gonna have to scalp. Um, if you at all time lows, more times than not, you're gonna have to scalp. But when you actually in the range trending and stuff, a lot of times we can take them higher time frame trades. But we're gonna try and attempt it today. If we win, we lose, it's gonna be fine. We're gonna just try to attempt it today to start back trading on our higher time frame. Now, what we said last night, looking at these charts, we was like, hey, we gotta just follow the bulls. Right now, bulls in control. We got our first breakout um back on the 24th. That was that breakout for that higher high. We said, hey, it is a bit overextended a little bit. So we do feel at some moment we finna get this reversal for a pullback. But we can't anticipate it or try to guess where it's gonna happen. We gotta trade what we see. And what we see right now is the market is extremely bullish. Okay? So we're gonna what we said last night, we said we're gonna drop down to that 1 hour and we're gonna follow these 1 hour trends and these 15 minute trends. So on the 1 hour, where's the can't be level at? It's this higher low. If we know we're making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we're gonna mark out that higher low. Market is open right now currently. We're gonna mark out that higher low. So we don't want to see market go below 25.93. Then we're gonna mark out this higher low too in case it does come down there. Market is pushing extremely hard though. We might miss some of this movement, but it's pushing a little too hard for us. Mark out fair value gaps. All right. So it's a long ways to come down. This market is extremely pushing. It's bullish. Let me look and see if news came out. 'Cause I'm trying to see why we're pushing so hard right now. So we drop down to the 5 minute. This is a 5 minute higher low. We'll mark that out. See if we want to hold that. Look like it's gonna close past this high. It just depends. It's 3 minutes left for this 5 minute candle, but it looks like it's gonna close past that high. 3 minutes left on the 5 minute candle. Let me see what news if news came out. I'm wondering why we shot up. Nah, news ain't come out yet. We got new home sales at 9 and consumer confidence at 9. So be careful around that 9 o'clock. Be careful around 9 o'clock. Let's look at the 1 minute just to see what it's looking like though. Alright. It said, man, PayPal, yeah, I was looking at PayPal last night, Mel. I was like, man, I gotta see what they're gonna look like in the morning. Let me look at the chart. You said they got a deal? Let me see. I literally was looking at them last night, and I said if they can close inside the fair value gap, oh, they pushed above the fair value gap. Cause I was like, if the earnings can push us up inside this gap, I'll take it all the way up to 76, 79. But it actually opened up above the gap, so. But I'm gonna leave it alone for right now, cause it opened higher than I expected. All right, we're looking at this NQ. Like we said, we might take one trade, 1 or 2 trades today. That's it. Um, we can't trade it right now. It's already pushing out, making this high highs. We gotta wait on this pullback. We gotta wait on the pullback. If it don't give us a pullback, then we just can't get in yet. And since we're only looking to take 1 or 2 trades, y'all will see me trading regular NQ right now. So we might be risking what 300 to 400 a trade, but we're gonna see. All right, let's see if we get a nice trade in. Waiting to see if we can get some pullback though. If this close red, it's gonna be our first sign of some pullback. 20 seconds on this 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute if y'all wanting to know. And like we said, we're gonna try to base our trades on higher than the 1 minute. So I'm just using this for that initial, just looking down into it like in detail. But yeah, Mel, I ain't even know about the deal. I don't be keeping up with the news as much. Um, but I definitely expected their earnings to push us up last night just by looking at technical analysis. And that's the one thing I be trying to teach people. Even if you don't watch the news, a lot of times your technical analysis tell you where the market gonna go. If you go back, Mel, I don't know if you seen our stream from last night. I literally said, hey, it's probably gonna gap up. We're probably gonna push up off these earnings tomorrow. So, and I did it without even knowing any news. I knew it was gonna go up, but it kind of went higher than I expected. I'll say that though, for where I wanted to get in at. All right, we waiting. Let me see. Like I say, you need to go watch. It wasn't even a long stream last night. I literally went by the stream real fast last night. I think it was only like 20-minute video or 20-minute live stream. Okay, we closed past the high, but we might retest it here. Okay. Only way we're gonna get in the long, we gotta start seeing it start pushing back up. Probably that 1 minute gotta start flipping back bullish. That 1 minute had to start flipping back bullish. Right now is doing this pullback. So we're gonna leave it alone for right now. We're gonna leave it alone for right now. Oh, I gotta put my phone on do not disturb. I'm getting dang alerts. All right. See if we can flip back bullish. Look at that 1 hour. Y'all know 1 hour we got a long ways to go. 1 hour it gotta literally come all the way down here. I mean it could though, cause like we said, we got 9 o'clock news. We got consumer confidence and something else at 9. So two big 3-star news coming at 9. They could just shoot us straight down, possibly to here or even break this structure right here. So gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. I ain't gonna lie. We could have took them shorts. We could have took shorts when he got his first raid. We could have took shorts for the possible um pullback, but it was fine. We like we said, we trying to base it off 5 minute or higher. And see if this 5 minute hold up here. See if this 5 minute hold up here. If it can reject, it need to come down a little bit more to this fair value gap. But if this 5 minute candle flip green, y'all, we gonna get in the long. Okay? If this 5 minute candle can close green, we're gonna get in the long for a quick scalp. See if we can flip back green. It got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Then we are getting this green candle here though. Gotta see if it's gonna start pushing up. Cause it'll be what would this be, y'all? Let's mark it out real quick. The high, low, higher high. It'll be another high low if we can start moving to the uptrend right here. If it take that low and close red, it's telling us it's not ready to go yet. Probably gonna take this out. See, can it start forming an uptrend at this point? Like we said, we really wanted this 5 minute to be a green candle. This 5 minute be red, we not gonna get in just yet. We're gonna wait. Back to the 1 minute again. I'm gonna be honest, we is aiming for about 300 to 400 today. So we basically want 1-on-1 trade. See if we're gonna start building an uptrend or not. It is a red candle, so it got to flip green here at this point. Got to pop green. See that 5 minute. 5 minute is still red. 5 minutes still red. 1 minute popping green for now. Oh, it just made a higher high. See if it closed green. Alright. It's starting to form that uptrend. Now I just gotta come up here and take this high. It's forming that uptrend now though. We could get in, but we want to see this 5 minute close green if it can. Even if it close a little green, we'll take a long. So what's the level? Let's mark out the level it got to close past. Mark out their level. Got to close past there. It's failing to though. 24 seconds for the 5 minute counter to close. Don't close past that. We just gotta wait. That don't mean that the long ain't gonna get ready, but we still gotta wait. Alright, we're gonna have to wait. Delete that line. We gotta wait. Alright, we gotta wait. Can't get in just yet. Didn't give us what we needed just yet. Oh, we're gonna be patient though. We're gonna be patient. So now we need a 5 minute green counter. Look at this 1 minute. It is forming an uptrend though slightly, so you see this a gap here. If we get a close above this gap, I would like a long. Cause then that would lead our 5 minute to being green. That'll lead our 5 minute to being green. If we can close above there. We gotta wait. Wait a second. The 5 minute turn green, we definitely like this long. Look at that. Let's look at the 1 hour, see what it's looking like. 1 hour, still looking strong. Look at the 15. 15 looking strong. We could get in off the 15 closing above this white line. Yeah, we could get in off of that. We're gonna see though. Pushing though, come on. We moving, we moving, we moving. Go back to the 5 minute. We pushing. We looking for a 1 minute close, but it's this gap right here, or at least inside the gap at least. It's pushing. It's close to it, man. Come on. Only thing I hate is almost 9 o'clock, so we probably gonna have to get in the trade and get right back out because we don't really want to play it through the 9 o'clock news. So we might have to get in and get right back out. All right, we about 2 minutes and 30 seconds for the 5 minute counter to close. See if we can stay green and push it past this gap. Okay, I think this is it. Let's give it a second. All right. If it flip back red, we would cut it probably though. But I think that's the move we needed. All right, we up 60. Let me see it start building base up here. Really, we want to see this high get taken if it can. We really don't want to see a red counter close back below here. We're gonna give it room though. Let me see the 5 minute. 5 minute, you gotta stay green now. Can't flip back red on us. Oh, it's pushing back below. Come on, push up, push up. Look at that 1 minute. Pushing back below, push up. Close back above there. Because it could get us a huge dump, honestly, if it closed back below. And we might just cut it if it closed below. Ah, that closed below. This is the last chance right here. Because it might give us a huge dump. Let's see if we can push back up now. Make a higher high. The 5 minute will be green though. That's the one good thing. As long as it don't dump here, the 5 minute will be a green counter. That's the good thing about it. Ah, we probably gotta cut it. If it flip red, we gotta cut it. Look at that 5 minute. Come on, 5 minute push. 10, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1. Nice. That was a nice move. I think we good. I think we're gonna move up. I think we'll move up at this point. We need this 5 minute to start running though. We need a higher high right here. 15 closed up. The 5 minute closed up. We need this higher high at this point. Oh, come on, man. Gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait. Need this market structure shift back to the upside. That did make a lower low, so we might see some pullback over here. As long as it don't break structure though. The 5 minute red, we closing completely at a 5 minute red. Or if it take this low down here, we completely out. Might got chopped out. Let's see. 15. Let's go to the 15. Still holding. Dang, I wanted to be out this trade before 9, but the way it's the market manipulating, we might gotta hold it. That 1 minute kind of tricked us a little bit. It made that downtrend. So now we waiting for this 1 minute to flip back bullish. If it just stop us out, we just get stopped out though. Wait and see if it's gonna hold. Huge drop. Come on. Huge drop. Come on, man. 1 hour. Look at that 1 hour. Still got space. Alright, look like we finna get stopped out. That's a hard drop. Hard rejection. Let's get out. We out. Hard rejection. It set it up. It set it up for that uptrend, but it was too hard of a rejection. So it must be a huge resistance level here. All right, we good though. We good. Dang, that was a hard rejection there though. I ain't gonna lie. Hard rejection. So look at that 15. Let's go back to that 15. Believe we're gonna make this lower low here. Especially this 15 turn red. See if it give us this pullback now. If we flip green here. Back to 15. 15 green. But again, our pullback. Just barely got us out. We waiting. Nice green counter though. That is a nice green counter. Five-minute, huge rejection. 5 minute did close red though. That's the one thing. 5 minute did close red. We got that news at 8:50. I mean at 9 o'clock. It's 8:50 right now. A 5 minute green counter, we go back long though. Get a 5 minute green counter. See if it's gonna hold up. Come on down. All right, coming down. Is he gonna take this level out or is he gonna hold it? Take that level out, we're gonna go and remove that 5 minute level. It's close, it's inches away. It's barely respecting it. Right. Still pop green. See. $8.52. We got 8 minutes for the news. We go to that 1 hour. 1 hour pushing close to this high. Mark that out with a yellow line. All right, we can take it out. We take that out. I definitely like looking for them shorts down to this 1 hour high. It's literally inches away. Actually, I think yeah, it took it already. It took it. I don't know why my drawing was a little off. We like them shorts down to this hourly high if we can get it. It's just a quick scalp though. If it pops out, it popped out. It's a quick scalp if we can catch it. If we flip green here, we might just cut it though. We want to see it just straight flush down there. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we probably gotta cut it. Now we're gonna just let it play out. If it stops us out, it stops us out. It's fine. We want to see if we can get down to that 1 minute. I mean that hourly high. Look like it's trying to go retest that hourly high. Go to that 1 minute. It's 5 minutes to close below there. Should get it. Did we close below it? I don't even know if we closed below it. Let me see. Like, dang, we barely closed above it. We might get, I don't know. We gotta see what the market want to do. Barely closing above it do suck. Because it could come back if it wants to. But we do got red candle, so we're gonna see if it come on push down there. It might stop us out. I think we got stopped out. Yeah, we got stopped out. Oh, rough morning this chop, man. It barely didn't close below there. We was trying to take that scalp, but it's fine. Ooh, we got rough morning today. I ain't even gonna lie. Scalp. We might have to just scalp today to get it back. We got 4 minutes to that 9 o'clock. Mel, you up in here? God, leave. I know y'all see that. Good thing we did have that stop loss on there. Good thing we had that stop loss on there. It pushed right back up to do this retest. We're gonna wait on that 9 o'clock to close though. I mean to come out. This might lead us to that higher high. Yeah. It's just super volatile right now. Super volatile. Mel, you in here? Mm, we just made higher high. See, 3 minutes to that 9 o'clock. Okay, bet. But they ain't gonna lie, but they cooking up that morning, but they cooking up that morning with this chop. But we gonna get it back. What? Get it back for sure. We just got what on this news drop. That's why it's so dang undecisive because the news ain't came out yet. We sit here and made higher high, then we made a lower low, then we just made another higher high. So it's starting to chop on us now. We ain't getting no true structure right now. But hopefully that 9 o'clock push us out the range, either to the upside or to the downside. So we break. If that 9 o'clock news break above this high here, we'll be getting them longs. So we'll put a green there. We can remove this white line. Remove these two for now. If it breaks up there, we be ready to get in longs. If it breaks below this low here, we'll be ready to get in short. Because we stuck in a minor range on the lower time frame. 1 hour still clear. 15, we kind of ranging because we made a higher high, lower low. So we kind of ranging again on the 15. The only one that's completely clear is the 1 hour right now. But like we said, you gotta come all the way down here so we can get an entry on the 1 hour. So you can't really get an entry on the 1 hour just yet. You gotta be on the 15 to 5. But the 15 to 5, like we said, it made higher high and lower low. So both of them is indecisive right now. So we about to have this 9 o'clock news coming. 20 seconds. But we got two 9 o'clock news coming though. So you gotta be ready for it. Consumer confidence and then new home sales. Both at 9. And then we don't have no other news for the rest of the day. See if it lead us to this higher high. Or if it wanna come on bring us down. What this news gonna do? What this news gonna do? That's the question. Did they drop yet? Let's see. Or is they pending? Oh, it's pending. They ain't come all the way out yet. Pending. But we do got higher high, potentially higher low. We gotta break that high though. Oh man. Come on, let this new okay, consumer confidence came out. Now we just wait on new home sales to drop. We just wait on new home sales to drop at this point. But I'm liking potential long, potential long. You know that 15. Let me say I want to look at SPY and QQQ real quick. PayPal pushing mail. PayPal is pushing right now. Like we said, it might go to that 79. That's what my target was 79 for PayPal. PayPal is pushing. Okay, SPY came down to this daily gap. QQQ should be too. Oh, no, QQQ up. Oh, they make it tricky. QQQ is not at its daily high, but SPY is. So they both um on everything is going crazy. It's both they not at the same states, and y'all know SPY and QQQ usually run the same, but they're not on in line together. They're not in pair, so you don't got confluence with them. So either SPY got to catch up with QQQ and come back to the upside, or QQQ got to drop and catch up with SPY. Y'all see that? 'Cause they usually work together. See that? SPY's down at the previous day high. QQQ is up past the previous day high. So one of the is SPY got to come up to where QQQ at, or NQ got to come down. I mean QQQ got to come down to where SPY is at. Ooh, that made me really don't even like these charts. They both not in sync. Let me go to the 1 hour and look at it. 1 hour. Dude, SPY can get a green counter close above this gap though. That'll be a nice put. That'll lead it to the upside. If we get between that gap. Set alert if we can. Okay, we pushing up. Let's see if SPY can get above that gap. That's the biggest thing for it to line up with NQ or QQQ. So that means NQ might try to chop until SPY catch all the way up. That's the thing. Might see NQ chopping until SPY catch back up. Might just see that. Go to that 5 minute. See if that 5 minute closing green. See that 1 minute looking like it's chopping. ES pushing. Let's go to ES because SPY pushing right now. So that means ES is pushing. That means ES pushing up. The NQ waiting. It's waiting look like 5 minute green. We just don't got structure yet, y'all. We just don't got any structure. On the 1 hour we do though. Like I said, this 1 hour can close above this gap. Then we like the long, but we ain't got no structure just yet. 5 minute didn't fully make a downtrend just yet. 15 minute just now making lows, so they got to make a lower high somewhere. So we still waiting on these structures before. But I think we're gonna catch one though. I think we're gonna catch a nice one. It's gonna get us good. Like if this 15 close green, that'll be a nice leeway to possibly up to this fair value gap here. See the 5 minute. Really want to see that market structure shift if we can. Go back to NQ real quick. Is it gonna get this red counter? That's the question. Because what we see right now, we see high, low, high, lower low, higher high. So trying to see if it's gonna get us. Is we gonna make a red counter then continue to make this high high, or if we just push straight up. That's the plan. Might just push straight up. It's just so indecisive right now. I would love, like I said, I'd love to see a 15-minute green counter take the long back. But the only thing we'd be taking it'd be a B trade, cause what? It won't be structure on our side. Cause the last thing we did was make a lower low. The market is choppy right now. Very, very choppy right now. Daily, daily looking strong still. 1 hour. Dang, I really hate having to wait to that 1 hour though. I know I'm trying to get in and off my chart, but we might have to just wait on that 1 hour. All right, it's pushing down. Let's see. See what it do. Cause you literally can go either way, bulls or short. Taking this first red. It look like we're gonna get this first red. We might take a scout real quick. Still waiting. Wow, it's pushing right back up though. Last second. All right, let's see if this can lead us to that higher high then. Come take this high here. Cause it pushed right back up. It didn't give us a full body. Red. See, we trying to see if it's trying to build structure to the upside or downside. Right now, we just chopping. Just chopping, man. No true structure just yet. We got higher high, but we just had a lower low. So if we get higher high low, and then another higher high, then it'll make a higher low or some type of structure. So we need to see if we can take this high here. Let's see if the 1 minute is in the uptrend. Not just yet. Oh my goodness, it much choppy. Let's go look at gold. We're gonna go look at gold because this market real choppy. We probably just gotta be patient on them. Let's go look at gold real quick. MGC. Gold dumping. Okay. Let's go to the daily. Gold just made a new lower low. It's trying to see if it's gonna close below here. Oh, my bad, my bad. Dang, them gold shorts would have been nice down to here once it broke out that daily gap. But it's already in here at this point. We can't really do nothing about it. It's trying to see if it's gonna close inside the gap or not. Go to the 1 hour. Making this pullback. Yeah, gold pretty much did what it needed to do. Go back to NQ. See if we can get this trade to come through. 5 minute reset. We just ain't getting no structure right now. Pop back green here, man. Pop back green. We need to get this high though. That's what we really need. This high to get taken. Let's see what the 15 looking like. We got 3 minutes to the 15. It's lightly green. We close green here. We're gonna take a light one. One more NQ. We can close green. Really want to get out this range, honestly. All right, we're gonna make a high high right here. It might be that break out that range. 44 seconds. Dang, this thing choppy, man. Come on. Break out, you want to break out. Come on. Nah, it's playing. Playing game. Didn't quite break out just yet. I said I was gonna get in off this green, but this look like a setup a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It look like a setup. It looks like a setup. I don't know if I trust it all the way. Cause even ES going up right now, but NQ going down. So I'm looking at it right now. What's five? That's what I meant to say. Y'all see that's red counter on here is moving up. So they just inversing. They not following each other when it comes to ES and SPY. You see how it's pushing down here, but the other one going up. Where they more times than not go the same direction. 90%, I say 95% of the time they go the same direction. So when they're not going the same direction, one of them is off, and we don't know which one it is. That's what's throwing it off a little bit. We don't know if NQ off or ES off, but one of them got to catch up with each other. The ES pushing up, NQ was going down. Look at the daily. ES is a red counter, right? NQ, they supposed to move together. NQ is a green counter pushing up, so it's like either NQ got to come down or ES got to go up, but we don't know which one got to do what. And that's what's making it real choppy and unpredictable. Almost to a point where you don't really want to trade it until they both back in sync. Because either one of the two got to push hard. Either they got ES. I'm thinking NQ probably gonna push hard down and catch up. That's what I'm kind of thinking, honestly. Thinking NQ gonna push down hard and catch back up. I think ES is where it's supposed to be at, but I think NQ gotta come down. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, but it's so unpredictable right now, man. So unpredictable. No more news though. That is good. No more news. So we just gotta wait on some structure to form. That's it. We get structure to form, we good. And we literally, when we got in, we got chopped because we thought structure was forming with higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. We got in over here. Well, we got in here off this green counter. We thought we was gonna make another higher high. End up making a lower low. So we literally got caught right when it chopped. Because technically, if it was high, high, higher, low, high, high, higher, low, this made that green counter. We should have been going up to that higher high. But we just got caught right where the chop was at. Right where that chop was at, we got caught. So now is like we said, now it's both of them not in sync. So we gotta wait on them to get wait on them to get in sync, man. Like either both going down or both going up. But right now they not in sync. They not in sync. Yeah, that would make it difficult to trade it. We got that 15-minute green though. So this either can be a lower high or lead us to a higher high. Only thing, if it want to be a lower high, it got to come all the way down here. If it want to be a high high, it got to come up here. So, just waiting. If y'all got any questions or anything, got something y'all want me to go over, let me know. Let me go look at that PayPal. Mel was talking about that PayPal. That PayPal went crazy. It literally went straight to the target I was saying. I said 79 last night. I said 78, 79 is where it's going to go. And then they got to make a decision. I'm kind of a little bit sorry I didn't get in it. But it opened up higher than I expected. Because last night I told y'all, I said, I'm going to buy the PayPal if it opens inside that gap. It opened up above the gap. So that would kind of threw me off a little bit. Let's see. Daily. See where we opened up at? Opened up here at 76. I told y'all if we open up, what I told y'all, I think I said that news push up to like 73. And I said if we come down to 72, I'm going to get in a long, take it up to 79. Well, it just opened straight up. It did come down to 73, so I probably should have caught it there. But it was fine. We was looking at our futures. But that 79 is the big key thing. Let me see. Let me go back to that data. Right here. Oh, no. Where was it? Right here. 79. The market got to see if we want to break through the 79 on PayPal. That's that big key level. It breaks 79. We got room all the way up to 82, possibly 85. But I do see it still pushing up to go to that 79. All right. Let me get back to our charts though. All right. Watching. Is it gonna lead us to this lower low? He is pushing down though. Can we lead to this lower low? Breaking out of it. If this 5 minute can close below, then I think we get going down there. We're breaking out of it, but it gotta close below it. Close below that range. That's the thing. Can it close below that range? We literally been chopping. You see that? We came to the bottom, went back to the top. Came to the top, came to the bottom. We're just chopping right now. Literally, the one day we didn't want to do our scalping, probably was the best day to not be doing the scalping. Honestly, y'all. Because now it look like the scalps will play good. We'll catch up. We're gonna get in a long. We're gonna get in one long. See if we can hold up. Go back to that 5 minute. We know one long. Cause it literally look like all we can do is scalp today. That's what it's looking like. 1 minute. I'm gonna target for them highs if it somehow just push up strong. But, flipping red here, so flipping red here, so 5 minute. Is it trying to close out? Look like it's pushing. Oh man, we might have to call it a day, man. We getting cooked with this chop session. Might just have to call it a day. It's just too choppy. It take us out here. Think we out? Yeah, we out. I ain't as much killing us today. I ain't even gonna lie, we getting cooked today. Let me look. It's chop killing us today. 36 minutes. Like I said, we would have scalped. We could have been taking some profits, but we trying to hold these trades. But we might just have to scalp them today. Even though we trying to hold, we might have to scalp today because it's just it's too unpredictable right now. Might just be having to scalp. Like right there, we could have just scalped out our $60 and left it alone. But we trying to see if we can get a good hold on the trade. But it's just too choppy right now. Too choppy. Can't get no speed. It look like we're finna break close below here though. It's close below. I'm liking the short. Let me go to that 1 minute. You look at that. We liking the shorts. It closed below for the continuation, but look what happened. It's pushing right back up. It closed below previous lows, but pushing right back up. That's what I'm saying. It's just so unpredictable when it's consolidating like this. But I still do like them shorts though. I say first red counter below here again. We getting in short. But if he don't give us a red counter back below here, we can't mess with it. Look at this. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Ain't no structure forming. No structure forming, man. No structure forming. We got a high, high, low. Then we made high, lower, low. Now that's what I'm saying. We made higher, high, then just made a lower, low. It's just ain't no structure forming, man. Can't get it for some reason. No true structure forming. Now if it close green, it's like we said, it's back. It might come right back and make a higher high again. Come on, push down, push down. Make this lower low. We gonna get in them shorts. All right, we in one short. If it pop all the way back up, I swear, we done for the day. If it pop all the way back up on us, we done for the day. We get one more short. Like I said, if it pop back up, we done for the day. Let's go to that 5 minute. Come on, we need a sweep. Alright, we getting a push. I'm gonna aim for this 1 hour gap. See if it can go down there. If it comes to this yellow though, we definitely moving the stop loss. Or if it even come take these lows, we move the stop loss down into profit. We should already put it in profit just because of, like I told y'all, we might be scalping this whole time. We're gonna give it a second though. Hopefully it don't come pop back up on us. I'm definitely gonna move it back down though. I mean move stop loss down. We just don't want to see it push all the way back up on us. Alright, it's popping up. Don't make no freaking high. Make a high. I'm telling y'all we done for the day. If it make this high, we need to keep dropping. We done for the day if we make a high. You gotta call your quits when you can. Cause ES pushing up right now. That's what I'm saying. They not on page. ES pushing up right now. But NQ going down at this moment. Don't tell me we getting chopped up. A 5 minute green counter close, I'm gonna at least get out one. I'm gonna get out one. Close green on 5 minute. We got 1 minute. We can't see no 5 minute green. Dang, ES pushing up hard. I wish y'all can see it, but I can't switch it while I'm in the trade. I want y'all to see it though. But ES pushing up hard right now. Hopefully NQ can still drop even though ES going up hard. Come on, NQ, keep dropping. Keep dropping. Come on. They just not on page, man. ES pushing extremely hard right now. Like we said, we see a green candle here. We gonna sell one. 14 seconds. God dang, ES. Look, after I get out this trade, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the ES chart. It's pushing up extremely hard right now. Come on. We need y'all to drop. ES pushing too hard, man. Pushing way too hard. Come on, NQ. Drop. Make ES come back down, please. Alright. We dropping. 1 minute. Come on, man. Don't bring us a high. We made that high here. I might have to close one just to preserve some of it. Uh-oh. Here it comes. It's chopped. Might gotta close one if it's split green. And take that high. Well, it's doji. We don't even know at this point with the doji. Come on, man. We don't want to be stuck in this chop. Come on, drop, man. Drop. We need this low to get taken out. Not trying to sit in this chop. I can't even see the comment or nothing. I'm sitting here. Alright, we took that low out. I'm bringing stop loss down into profit. We took that low out. You know what? Might just take this. Yeah, I'm bringing stop here. It's too choppy. We gotta at least take this 370. It's just too choppy. Look, see, yeah, it's just too choppy, man. We had to take that 370. I did want to take it down there, but it's just too choppy, and it's too early on this 5 minute. If it was like 30 seconds on the 5 minute, I would have still kept my stop loss up there and waited. But it's just so early, it can literally bounce all the way back up. So we had to take that 370. Yeah, I still think it possibly can come down here, but it's too choppy, man. Too much range going on. Had to take our 370. Had to. We already was down for the day, so we had to take what we could. Yeah, we could have made 1,000 down there, but 370 good enough. 370 good enough. All right, it's retesting that hourly gap. I mean hourly high. So it got rid of the gap. I think we probably coming down there to this hourly fair value gap, y'all. Unless somehow in this 30 minutes this can push all the way back up. I think we're going down to that hourly gap. Mm, that's what I think. I think we're going down to that hourly gap. I wish I was able to hold it longer, but it's just it was too choppy, man. It was too choppy. 5 minute. Look like we finna get that closure below. Let's see. Mark that out. 1 minute. If it close back red here, I like a short. And if it close green here, we feel like to see another red come and we get in short. But if it start pushing back above, we ain't messing with it for the shorts. But yeah, we had to take that 370, man. That was just too choppy. What the world? I'll take this back off. There we go. It was just too choppy though. We couldn't take that risk like that. Dang, a scalp to the other side would be nice, but it's risky too, cause we just made these lower lows. Go to that 5 minute. 5 minute look like it's failing to close below, but it probably retest see if we can get down there. Now ES pushing again. Oh yeah, let me go to ES, y'all, so y'all can see what it was doing. When we was in shorts, this is what ES was doing. Pushing up. We was in the shorts right here. Look at it. It just started pushing all the way up. That's what I'm saying. It was just too unpredictable. Right now we currently down 582. We did get that 370 trade, but we currently down 582 on the day. If we can at least get it down to like 300, we gonna call it. All right, we gonna call it. I don't know about these loans, man. What about these loans? They playing games. I want to get in the long on ES though. I ain't gonna lie. I want to get in the long on ES for real. It's just tricky, but I kind of want to get in the long on ES. Mm. We probably got away on that hourly, but I kind of want them loans for ES, y'all. Let's go to NQ real quick. I think I like them loans for ES. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boys. I think I like them loans for ES. NQ, possibly. It's pushing though. I kind of like the loan for NQ too. Let's get in one long on NQ. One long. Oh no, move style loss. What the? They playing. They playing with me. Come on now. Let's see if it gonna come back in this chop range. Let's see. I'm gonna get one more. So we pushing pretty nice. See if we can get inside that back in that chopping area. Then we get back up in there. See if we can get back into that range, man. Let's go back look at ES real quick, cause I gotta tell you, I do like the ES long. I'm gonna be watching that NQ though. I do like the ES long. Man. Ooh, I like them ES longs. They like it's calling me. I think we might get one ES long. Might get in one ES long. And we still got our two NQs. So I think that's the game plan. Thinking one ES long is the move. It's looking like ES long. Let's get in one. We get in one, y'all. We in one. No more than 400 flat. We in one. Ain't gonna lie, ES long's looking like a play. I want to see what it do when it get up to this 5 minute gap though, to the top of it. Might got in a tad bit early, but it's looking like that's the play. Jump on to the 1 hour. 20 minutes to this 1 hour. You flip back red on it. If it come back to the bottom of this hourly gap though, that's it. If you come back down to the hourly gap, that's it. So they have to hold it. Might come cut it though. Alright, NQs, we out the NQs. Look at this 15. If 15 looking bearish, we gonna probably cut it. Nah, 15 still holding. 5 minute. We might have to cut it. Might have to cut it, man. We gonna hold it though. We gonna hold it. Let's go back and look at NQ. I think NQ pushing down at the moment. Yeah, it is. Probably get that tap of that hourly gap. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what it's looking like. That 1 hour gap. See if we can break structure. You gotta see what it does when it get down there. 17 minutes. We might see a flush, y'all. to come down to this hourly gap. 17 minutes. You possibly could see a flush. 5 minute. Still all red. Oh my. I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. I was trying to move the stop loss. It just kicked me out. I think we're going to call it for the day. We're going to call it for 2 days. Mel, you still in here, man? It's just, it ain't working out for us today. We just had to call it for the day. We was down for the day. We ended up closing in the red. First red day in a while. I ain't gonna lie. But we gonna call it for today. All right. Y'all have a good one. Your boy Keith is out. Peace. We was trying to catch some shorts though. We definitely was trying to catch some shorts.